creature with its distinctive orange and black strips and beautifully marked face has a day that is dedicated to it. This was first celebrated in 2010 and was founded at an international summit that had been called in response to shocking news that 97% of wild tigers had disappeared in last century with only around 3,000 left alive. The tigers are on the brink of extinction. An International World Tiger Day aimed to bring attention to this fact and try to halt their decline. Many factors have caused their numbers to fall, including habitat loss, climate change, hunting and poaching. And Tiger Day aims to protect and expand their habitat and raise awareness of the need for conservation. Many international organizations are involved in the day, including the WWF, the IFAW, and the Smithsonian Institute, making tiger conservation a priority. Bhutan, land of the thunder dragon, is the latest country to have accurate wild tiger numbers. Its first every tiger survey reports released on Global Tiger Day showed there to be 1 of 3 tigers in Bhutan. Do not kill tigers, save them. Thank you.
India having a population of 1.2 billion people. India, a multi-language spoken country. India, first in milk production, number 1 in remote sensing satellites. India, second largest producer of rice and wheat. India has an area of landmass 3.28 million square kilometers. India, bounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Arabian Sea in the southwest, and the Bay of Bengal in the southeast. India, a country where Prime Minister introduced the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Having these many facilities, why India is still not a developed country?
That is because of the irresponsibilities of us.
What?
Let us now see some of those.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sit down. Your plan is perfect, but was it a lake earlier?
Yes, it was a lake before.
Then how can we permit you?
Madam, please, it's been a long dream of mine.
No, I cannot exploit the loss. We cannot build a building there. It can hold only 7 floors. You wanted to build 17 floors. How can I permit you?
Madam, but what is the problem?
No, it can cause damage to the property and life. How can I permit this?
I have an experience of this. I've built many buildings like this in Chennai too. So I'm sure that nothing's going to cause people.
What, you build more buildings? No, it is not my policy and I cannot do this, Mr. Madhav.
Madam, I've heard you have 2 children and I'm sure that you need to give them good education. So what about
something? What something? Okay, let me sign. All the best.
Thank you.
This sort of corruption is happening in India.
You know, Ashmita, more than 50% of people in India have experience of paying bribes to the public. To the public officials in order to get their work done.
Oh really? I hope you understood about corruption, what is happening in India. Let us join hands to stop corruption. I'll come back.
Where are you going?
To school, Pa.
Yesterday, what did I say to you?
Please, Pa, I need to go to school.
Yesterday itself I told you should not go to school. You should go to company only.
Pa, please, Pa, I need to become a doctor. It's my long dream, Pa. Please leave me to go to school, Pa.
Again and again I am saying, you are saying go to school, you should go to company only.
Uncle, don't read him. He is good in studies.
Who are you? Mind your work. He is my son. I know what to do. He will go to company only. Get lost.
Okay. Pa, at 10, I am 10 years only, Pa. At 18 years only, I need to go to job. Please, Pa.
At the age 8 itself I went to work. Why can't you?
Okay, Pa.
As you saw, in our country, still kids are said to work in factories and are not allowed to study, which also makes our country go down because kids are the future citizens of India. Scene 3 in the park.
Hi, Preeti. Hi, Saista. How are you? Fine. When did you come from Singapore? Last week ago. Small chat.
Hey, Anandava, did you see that movie Kabali?
Yeah, I saw. The first half, no, it was okay only. Hey, there's a famous dialogue, you know. I forgot.
Yeah, I think I know it. Is it Kabalida? Nirupida?
Yeah.
Okay, let us have something. Okay, let me have, put it in dustbin.
Hey, give me. Who's going to mind it?
Excuse me. Hey, what are you doing?
Have I done any crime?
You've thrown a paper. There's a dustbin here. There's a dustbin here. You can throw it inside, right? Whoa, it's just a bit of paper. Chill. There's nothing to chill. There's nothing to chill, dude. When all 2 million. There's nothing to chill, dude. When all the 2 million like you, whole India, if all the 2 million do the same thing, then I hope in 2 years India will become a garbage bin. I think you're right. As a responsible citizen, it is your duty to keep your surroundings clean. Am I right, Preeti? Of course, if we do the same thing in our country, Singapore, then we'll be penalized. But you guys are not caring about this.
Okay, hereafter, as a responsible citizen, I promise you that I will not put these waste in roadside.
That sounds better.
Thank you.
It was a meaningful skit by our friends. As you saw, we are not following the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, which Prime Minister Modi has introduced. So as the young pillars of India, we have the responsibility to maintain cleanliness around the surroundings. Not only these. Thank you. Not only these, corruption, child labor, cleanliness, poverty, illiteracy, unemployment, pollution, crime against female and terrorism. We have to abolish to make our country a developed country.
occasion, our former president, the Missile Man of India, visionary of Vision 2020, the author of the books Wings of Fire. Can you guess who? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is going to be on the dais. Now it's time to take the oath. I request everyone to keep your hands at the heart and repeat what she says.
We, the citizens of India, take this pledge that we will remain committed